This room is truly remarkable in its commitment to ergonomics. Take a look of this control console. It consolidates all the essentials located right beside your head. It's an incredibly impressive and efficient design.
Pipindutin mo lang to. Dahil!
Good day mga ka-online palaboy! I'm currently in my hotel room at APA Hotel Ryogoku. I'm excited to take you on a tour of this place. If you're considering staying at APA Hotel in Japan, you will get a glimpse of what to expect in terms of room style and amenities. Let's kick things off with the spacious TV screen. As soon as you step into the room, this TV automatically comes to life, displaying essential hotel information such as Wi-Fi access details, including SSID and password. It also provides updates on the current occupancy status of the Grand Spa or the onsen, giving you a clear idea whether it's vacant or busy. Furthermore, it offers a weather advisory, which by the way informs me that it's currently raining in Tokyo. You will also find check-in details on the TV, allowing you to easily request a stay extension by adjusting the time, all at your convenience. In addition to the informative features, the TV also offers free-to-air channels for your entertainment. One interesting touch is the presence of origami in the room, serving a lovely reminder of Japanese culture right in your own personal space. Please excuse the clutter on my desk. It's currently occupied with my belongings. Let me walk you through the essential items you can find on the table. There's a kettle provided, and I was pleasantly surprised to discover that the lid is entirely detachable, which is not the norm for most kettles that usually remain attached to their bases. Interestingly, throughout my entire 8-day stay here, I never had the opportunity to use it. I preferred enjoying my hot beverages during breakfast at the hotel restaurant. On the mirror side of the room, you will find various hotel reading materials on display, including a biography of hotel's chairman. The table is equipped with convenient features such as an accessible power button for the refrigerator, a desk lamp, and a universal power outlet. However, I didn't have the opportunity to use the universal outlet due to its limited power supply. There's also a Type A power outlet and a LAN cable access available for use. A compact telephone is provided for your hotel-related calls. Beneath the table, you will discover a kimono set intended for your visit to the onsen bath. Unique to Japan, the hotel in the room is fitted with wheels on its feet. Additionally, a mini fridge is stuck away under the table. I never had the chance to use it since I didn't dine in my room. I usually bought water and drank it at room temperature. Inside the table's drawer, you will discover some coffee and green tea sachets, but I have already packed them in my bag to enjoy when I return to Qatar. I received a daily refill of these items during my stay. They also provide glasses and paper cups for your convenience. You will find tissue and a blower in a minimalist fashion. And I noticed a handy plug releaser. This feature makes it quite convenient to use as it allows you to release the plug instead of having to pull it out from the outlet. On the top of the table, there was an air freshener, perfect for tackling those robust odors, specifically in the bathroom. However, since my room is a non-smoking one, it remained unused during my stay. This room is truly remarkable in its commitment to ergonomics. Take a look of this control console. It consolidates all the essentials in one corner, providing easy access to the air conditioner, lampshades adjustment,
tawag nito?
Type A power outlets and USB plug for your device, and control over the ceiling light, desk lighting, bathroom amenities, and the entrance light. The lampshade offers adjustable lighting, eliminating the need to leave your bed just to adjust the lights or search for the remote control for the air conditioner. Everything is conveniently integrated in a single console located right beside your bed. It's an incredibly impressive and efficient design, streamlining convenience in a truly amazing way. What we have here is a flashlight, which it comes in very handy in case of power outage due to an earthquake or any other unforeseen circumstances. It's easily accessible within arm's reach. When you detach it from the console, it automatically activates. In addition, you will also find a compact alarm clock, just in case your phone's alarms isn't sufficient to wake you up on time. Beneath the TV monitor, there are also hooks and racks for your clothes. Under the mirror, you will discover 2 pairs of disposable sleepers and synthetic sleepers for use in the onsen bath, along with the shoehorn added for convenience. Another noteworthy feature of this room is the abundance of power outlets. You will find them beneath the TV monitor, below the table, 2 outlets below the lampshade, 2 more at the control console, and additional outlets at the table. In total, you have 8 power outlets, providing you with the convenience to charge your devices in every corner of the room. Turning your attention to this side, you'll discover a clothes rack and bathrobe, commonly used particularly by women at the onsen. This hotel is exceptionally well prepared for emergency situations like fires. It's quite surprising how something as simple as plastic can be a lifesaver during a fire emergency. You can trap some air inside the plastic, put into your head, seal it tightly. It provides instant oxygen while protecting your eyes from the harmful smoke, aiding you in finding the nearest exit. Now moving on to the crucial part of the room, the bathroom. It's quite compact, and right as you step inside, you will come across the bidet control panel. I will demonstrate how it works. Once you are seated on the toilet, an initial water spray is initiated.
So, may preliminary washing na nagaganap to sa ilalim.
The bidet control panel is conveniently placed in front of you. Japan is known for its advanced toilet technology. There are 2 options for posterior cleaning. You can adjust the power pressure to your preference.
So, pipindutin mo lang to, aandar na. Oh, yan. Aandar na siya. Oh. Dahil!
An operating manual is also provided on the wall for easy reference, ensuring you will never lose when using the bidet. Due to the limited space in the bathroom, it's somewhat challenging to move around, especially when trying to wash your face, as the sink is quite small. It seems more suitable for children than adults. Even for someone of my stature, moving freely can be a bit of a struggle. One notable feature of this faucet is the provision for drinking water. The bottom is quite cute, but on the smaller side, perfect for creating your mini onsen. There's a water guide provided just in case you decide to enjoy the onsen experience. Shampoo, conditioner, and bath soap are generously supplied. I personally like their bath soap as it contains a moisturizer complex. I use it at the Grand Spa before and after soaking in the onsen. However, for my regular shower, I use my own shampoo and conditioner and facial and tub soap. brought my own toothpaste and toothbrush, but they also provide supplies. Other amenities include
ito, hairband, shower cup, tapos ano pa ba? Ito, ano
and a hair shaver with some nails residue, suggesting the housekeeping might have missed that area. There's also a foldable hair comb, which I found quite amusing, so I decided to take one home. Earbuds are also provided. If you can picture my daily routine of brushing my teeth and washing my face, it involves maneuvering in a small space. You will find 2 sets of bath towels and floor towels. To measure the bathroom size, it's about the length of 1 arm's reach, roughly a meter. With a width of about a meter and a half.
1 meter by 1.5 meter. Pero ang kagandahan
At the bathroom's compactness truly amused me, and it appears that all the fixtures are customized, including the bathtub and the sink and its platform.
kasi dito,
If you look closely, the toilet tank is seamlessly connected.
di ba nakikita natin ano?
I must note that someone taller than me might face some challenges inside the bathtub. And that concludes our room tour at APA Hotel Ryogoku. See you in the next episode.
Go 搭乗ありがとうございました。